there is no better chance that you'll ever get than 2025 to actually make a change or learn a new skill or make money online, because there is so much you can do online. And I'm just going to share in this video how to get that mindset of actually sticking to something, whether that could even just be anything in life. Like, that could be going to the gym, that could be learning a new skill, that could be saving money, it could be anything. And I just wanted to share in this video how to make 2025 your best year yet. And 2024 was mine best year, 100%. And I'm going to share a bit more about that in this video, but I'm just going to share how I actually stuck to goals last year, how I quit my job, and how I hit big goals that I never even thought were even like possible, and I never thought it would even happen. So if I can do this, anyone can. So I'm just going to share in this video how anyone can actually stick to goals and what you need to learn this year, what things you need to actually avoid, how to make money as quick as possible online, because I'm going to share some valuable skills that you can learn in this video and essentially make 2025 your best year yet. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Charlie, Charlie Marketing Income. You might have seen me on TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube. And essentially, last year I wanted to start a side hustle. I was working full time. I used to work in construction, stuff like that. I wanted to start something that would make an extra like £500 a month for me as a side hustle whilst I'm still working, so that I had roughly £500 extra a month to be able to save for things, or save for holidays, or just live more comfortably, really. And I thought, you know what, there's people online making like £10,000 a month, and I thought, if I can just make £500 a month, surely that's more than possible. If these people are making thousands a day online. And I came across selling digital products. I wanted to learn how it works, because I knew there's a lot of people doing like digital marketing, selling digital products, and I just thought it doesn't actually seem that hard, and it's not, in short, to be honest. Essentially, and this is the quickest way of putting it, I quit my job within 4-ish weeks of selling digital products. I made over £7,000 doing it. I've sold products from travel itineraries, fitness guides, anything really. Literally, there's so many products that you can create. You can create like cookbooks, fitness guides, weight loss planners, social media content planners, literally loads of stuff, digital product ideas in itself. And yeah, it's been incredible. I obviously sell now my one-to-one program, which is £97 of Digital Wealth Simplified. You can click the link in the description to go and learn this yourself. But I just wanted to make an extra £500 a month. That was my main goal, and that's what I stuck with the whole time. That was my biggest goal. And yeah, I do that every single day now, from selling digital products, which is just a dream to me. So for anyone who wants to do this and how to actually stick to goals, this is what I would say. And here's actually how to set goals. So everyone goes, oh, you need to set goals and stick to them. But how do you actually set a goal, or how do you actually stick to them? And this is what I say first. This is the first thing that everyone should be doing when it's setting goals, whether that's trying to lose weight or gain muscle or go to the gym. It could be something like you want to go to the gym 7 days a week, perhaps. Again, I'm not like a fitness coach or anything like that, but this is just like from my personal experience and how I set goals now and how I stick to stuff in life to make sure I actually like hit the target or hit the goal. If you say you want to go to the gym every single day of the week, that's a really good goal. Yeah, I don't think you should be doing that from the fitness advice that I've been given myself. But why not set a goal of, okay, I want to go to the gym twice this week. If you set mini goals, you're actually going to hit these goals a lot easier, and you'll be more excited about hitting these smaller goals, rather than saying, okay, I want to go to the gym every single day this week, and you don't do it, and then you'll be like, oh, I didn't hit my targets this week, or I didn't hit my goals. You're going to be a lot more deflated than if you set a smaller goal of even going to the gym once this week or twice. If you hit that, you're going to be a lot more happier and sort of prouder that you hit them goals, and then you can increase your goals. So for example, if you're looking to make money online, the first goal that I would set would be to make, I don't know, 100 followers or 1,000 followers. Or it could be something like make your first £1, rather than I want to make £1,000 online. How about make your first sale online in the digital product? How about make your first £5, £10, or even £50, £100? Before setting a goal of, I want to make £10,000 this month, or I want to make £10,000 this year. Why not just try and get that first sale first, or that first mini goal? That's what I would say. You want to hit mini goals first, and then you want to hit the big goals, because they will come. And for example, me, I've got around 50,000 followers across all social media platforms, and my first goal was actually just to get one follower. That was my first goal, because I wanted one person to follow me or message me, say that we're interested in learning, or they're interested in my journey and they're really like, I resonate with your content. It's really relatable to me. And that's why I share my journey, because I want to be relatable with other people. I'm just a normal 21-year-old lad. Like, I'm living in the UK and I want to travel. And yeah, if I can do it, absolutely anyone can. But my main goals were just hit 1,000 followers as quick as possible, and I did that, and that didn't happen overnight, and that literally doesn't. My first ever video got like 2 views, something like that. I could have just given up, and I didn't. The next video got 100 views, 10 views. Third video got, I don't know, 70 views. If you give up at 70 views, you're never going to get anywhere, and that is the biggest mindset shift that you need to have. Like, for example, yesterday, if you didn't post, yesterday before you posted, you didn't have 100 views. You've just posted today, you got 100 views. That's 100 more views. Obviously, it's not great. You want to be hitting thousands and millions of views. But you've got 100 more views than if you didn't post, perhaps. That's just the perspective you've got to put on things. But obviously, you want to be hitting the big goals, don't you? You want to be growing. But that will come in time, so don't even worry about stuff like that. But what are your goals for this year? You need to write it down. So again, it could be something like lose weight. It could be you want to make £1,000 a month. That could be your big goal. So write down one big goal on a notepad, on your notes page, wherever you want to do it, and then branch off mini goals from that. So say, for example, you wanted to lose, 3 stone. So how about you do, I want to lose £5 first, or do you see what I mean? Or 5 kilos. I don't know what the conversion is into stone and kilograms, but that's what I would do. And if you wanted to make, £1,000 a month, why not write down underneath that you want to make your first sale, you want to make your first £1 online. Again, if you had a £1 product, you've only got to sell that 1,000 times over a year and you've made your big target. You're going to be a lot more happy with yourself if you hit these smaller targets first rather than going for, okay, I want to make £1,000 this year from a skill that I can learn online. You're going to be a lot more happier if you hit a smaller goal and then hitting that really quickly, and then you can up your goals as time goes on. That's just my honest advice. So write down your goals. What's your big goals for this year? And then write down smaller goals underneath it, because that is going to help you track stuff. It could even be like a monthly goal. Okay, if you want to make £1,000, what do you have to do over every single month? So I think that works out about £85 a month, something like that. If you can make £85 a month, then you'll hit that £1,000 goal. But yeah, I talk more on that throughout other videos, but that's just a perspective how to actually set goals. Here's what you need to learn though if you want to make 2025 the best year possible. You need to learn that people are going to have opinions. So for example, if you want to learn a new skill, you want to go and do a new sport, you want to go and learn tennis, somebody is going to say either something positive or negative about it. Someone's going to have an opinion on it, aren't they? Like, no matter what it is, you're starting something new, you're trying to eat healthily, you're going to the gym, someone's going to say something. And here's what you need to learn. You are on your own journey. You might compare yourself to others, but at the end of the day, you just need to focus on yourself. And that's what I've done. Like, my circle is very small in terms of family and friends. And that's because I really just want to make the best life possible for myself and my family and the closest people around me. That's literally it. There's a lot of noise in the world, and you can shut yourself away from that as quick as possible by just focusing and saying no to going out or going to parties or clubs or whatever it may be. Do you know what I mean? You can easily just say no, and it could be anything. Just say no because you want to learn a new skill, or you want to watch the modules in the program, or you want to watch this YouTube video. That's what you need to learn, to just either say no to things going out, or just learning to be uncomfortable by being comfortable, if that makes sense. So for example, learning something new is not going to happen overnight. It's not just going to happen just like that. But if you put in the time, 1% every single day, it's going to happen. And that's what you need to learn. Nothing's an overnight success. It will be in a couple of months' time, but you need to put in those couple of months of effort to actually get that. So that's what you need to learn. You've got to try and be uncomfortable, and you've got to start something that is completely new. And another thing I see all the time everywhere is, I know you want to take advice from your parents or people around you. No matter what your age is, you're still going to get advice from people if you're starting something new. But are they in the position where you want to be? So for example, have they made £1,000 online? Have they got 10,000 followers? Are you going to take advice from them if they haven't got to where you want to be yet? I know you want to take advice from people around you, like I'm the exact same, but you've got to think, actually, do I want to say what I'm trying to do to this person? Because are they going to put a bad point on it? And then that's going to make you not want to actually start that side hustle or buy that course or whatever it may be, because their negative view, or do you know what I mean? It's just going to mess with your head. So that's what I would learn. Just stick to your own path. I try and keep distractions to a minimum and just go go for it. Like whatever it is you're trying to do, just go for it. But here is actually a skill that you can go and learn yourself. And if you want to know more about it, there's a 1 hour free course in the link in my description. Just click that and you can learn this yourself. But anyone can sell digital products online. And here is how you can make as much money as quickly as possible online. And again, it's not an overnight thing. It will be in time, but you've got to put in the effort to get there. And this is just from my personal experience as well. You need to learn digital products and how to create them, how to sell them, how to market them. At the end of it, you're not selling a product. It's fine, you might have a travel itinerary or a fitness guide, but who are you actually selling that to? You're not just selling that to robots online on social media. You're actually helping people and customers in real life. You're not selling a product, you're selling a solution to their problem. So I want to, for example, if I came to you and you're a fitness coach, I want to lose weight. You've got a program for me to lose weight in the quickest amount of time possible. Bang, sold. I've bought the program because that's a solution to my problem. And that is essentially all it is. You're just selling a solution to somebody's problem. You're not selling a product. You're not selling a program. You are, in theory, yeah, you've got a great program or you've got a great product or a guide or an ebook or a template or a planner that's going to help people organize with their content or cooking, whatever your planner is. Again, there's loads of options that you can create digital products in. But you're selling a solution to somebody's problem, and that is the biggest thing. And that's what I've learned in business, really. It's all right trying to sell something to somebody, but are they in real need of your product? It could be anything. They're trying to learn how to video edit. Does your product actually help them video edit? Do you see what I mean? Does it show them how to do it as quick as possible without... There could be a beginner, there could be experienced. Is your program on video editing for beginners? Is it for people who are experienced? Is it more advanced video editing? Have you got sections in that where they can, do you see what I mean, learn new things? But that is what I would say, how to make money as quick as possible online, learn digital products. Again, there's a free 1 hour course in the link in my description, or there's the Digital Wealth Simplified for £97, full one-to-one support, 20 plus modules. You can go and learn yourself. But this is how to make 2025 your best year. Cut out the distractions, and just focus on yourself and go for it. That's all I can say in this video. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, and much appreciate everyone that stayed to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.